Hello good day viewers. In this tutorial we are going to find a solution to this logarithmic equation. We are asked to solve the equation half the log of x minus 3 plus log of 5 divided by 2 equal to 1 minus log of the square root of x plus 3. Before we start, let us consider the domain of this function. Remember that the argument for any form of logarithm must be a positive number greater than 0. So therefore, if x minus 3 is greater than 0, it implies that x must be greater than 3, right? X must be greater than 3. And if you should consider the whole of this to be a positive number greater than 0, it implies that x must be greater than negative 3. And you can see that 3 is greater than negative 3, therefore we are going to consider this domain. So whatever value we are going to obtain must be greater than 3. Alright, let's get started. And you should remember that any value multiplying logarithm can always serve as the power of the argument of that logarithm. Therefore, we can write this as log of the square root of x minus 3. So we have log of the square root of x minus 3 plus log of 5 divided by 2. This is equal to 1. And remember, log of any number having the same base as the number is always equal to 1. Therefore, we can express 1 as log of 10 base 10, since we are dealing with base 10. You know, any logarithm without an assigned base is to base 10. So this is log of 10 with base 10 minus log of the square root of x plus 3. Now let us take this term to the left hand side and take this to the right hand side. So we're going to have log of the square root of x minus 3, then plus, as the other term crosses over, log of the square root of x plus 3. And this is equal to log 10, which is there already. If you take this to the right hand side, it becomes negative log of 5 divided by 2. And remember this law, which stated that if you have log a plus log b, provided that they have common bases, you can always assign them a single log and multiply their arguments a, b. So we are going to apply the same thing to simplify this. So this is the same thing as log of the square root of x minus 3 multiplied by square root of x plus 3. And this is equal to log of 10 minus log of 5 divided by 2. If you have subtraction, you divide. If it is addition, you multiply. So we have log of 10 divided by 5 over 2. Since we have common logs to both sides, we can equate their arguments. So this will cancel this. We can simply say that these two square roots, which we can multiply and assign them a single square root, we have x minus 3 multiplied by x plus 3 will be the same thing as 10 divided by 5 over 2 is the same thing as 2 multiplied by 10 divided by 5. These are difference of two squares. We can write them as the square root of x squared minus 3 squared. And this is equal to 2 times 10, 20 divided by 5 is 4. So let's square both sides. If you square the left hand side, you have to square the right hand side, so that we have x squared minus 9, because 3 squared is 9, and this is equal to 16. Add 9 to both sides, we have x squared equal to 16 plus 9 equal to 25. Take the square root of both sides, you have x equal to plus or minus the square root of 25. Square root of 25 is 5, so x is equal to plus or minus 5. But remember, from the domain, we have seen that x must be greater than 3. So we are not going to consider negative 5, rather positive 5. Therefore, the solution to this problem is x equal to 5. And hence, this is the solution to this problem, I want you to test for the value of x equal to 5 in this equation to see whether you're going to get the same value from the left to the right hand side. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.